Yo, 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 good morning. Today's March 25th, 2026. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Simple Stocks. Good morning, fam. Listen, this is the IWM. Guys, look, I'm just gonna give you guys like a chart setup to watch and monitor for the day throughout the week. This is on the 15-minute. What you guys can do, you guys can take that Monday's price action, make a box, man. See this right here? I took a box, and I highlighted this box from the Sunday night open, and I call this Trump's de-escalation candle, right? So anyway, from here all the way to here, and I just drew a box. So I'll redo it with you guys. From here to here, I'm drawing a box. And this right here tells me my trading range right now. This is what we're trading. This big candle here. This is what we've been trading. Okay. So we're gonna monitor that. Right now, we're at the upper ends of this box right here, which is also what? If you zoom in, you'll see this. It's also our prior week high, our prior day high, so on and so forth. So how do they handle this area will be very key. You're gonna want to see, I think, first off, let me say this. What I do think, if we start, as we start to retest the upper end of this box, I think we start to hit a wall because we got this candle here. So then, as we start to get closer up in this area here, we're going to start to retrace down and bounce back, let them reposition down, see if they can close out candles, see if they close out candles to beat this box, right? But until then, let them show you. Another thing you guys can do to trade this, take a fib. Take your fib from the bottom of here. And look at our must hold. I want to point that out too, real fast. This is our must hold area. So right here, I would say this is about 50% of our box, right? This is the area they must hold. We start to see a breakdown here. We're going to start challenging the bottom of this candle. Okay, we start to see a breakdown here. So be mindful of that. Be very, very watchful. I'm going to draw a fib from the bottom of my box at the top. I'm going to expand it, make sure it rises up. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Look how God works. Isn't he lovely? Look, as we come back over here, what is our 50%? 50% lines up almost perfectly what we said was our most hold. Okay? So listen, that's how important it is. So as we start to get into this area here, if we start to lose this 236, which is 250.19, we can come back down to 247.95. But expect them to try to bounce. Look at this candle here. See that right there? That's a reversal. They already hit this area here and they started to reverse. So there's a few different ways they can play this, man. Just be very, very mindful. We're looking for closing candles to about 5 minutes, 10 minutes to give us direction. We don't want to just jump the jump. We do know we got call walls above 252, 250, 250, 250, so on and so forth, which is the upper end of these areas here. So with that being said, knowing we have these call walls there, I will be comfortable shorting above 252.50 zone area, right? Comfortably shorting for a retracement back down to challenge this line here. If lost, we can come challenge here at 249. If lost, we are at 248.08. Listen, to give you guys some simplicity right there, that's what I'm looking at. I don't see anything that's really just popping out at me. We are in a very headline-driven market. You mean, so keep your heads on the swivel, and let's continue to trade. If you guys have questions, comments, let me know what's up, what you're looking at. But other than that, that is my game plan. Another thing you guys notice here, we are hitting this line and we are ascending. Okay, so keep that in mind as well. Let them break that before we get any conviction as far as to the downside at this time. Okay, other than that, happy trading, you guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe.